Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, go to About Phone. Find build number and tap it several times until you see a message saying you are a developer. If you are using a Xiaomi phone, you may find this option under MIUI version instead. You may be asked to enter your PIN or password or nothing may be required. Once developer options are enabled, go back to the main settings page. Now, open Additional Settings. Then select Developer Options. Scroll down and find USB Debugging. Turn it on. You will see an alert asking you to confirm. Check the box confirming that you are aware of these risks and then tap OK. And that's it. USB debugging is now enabled on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.